Hello everyone, I'm here today with DrainPro Plumbing and Septic to answer another commonly asked question. How often should you drain your water heater? Many people with water heater tanks don't know about proper maintenance procedures. While some newer homes have tankless water heaters, water heater tanks are still in common use. If you have one, you should be draining it regularly. Why? Because tap water naturally contains minerals, which separate when the water is heated. These minerals form a sediment at the bottom of your water heater tank. This sediment can damage the tank, as well as reduce its efficiency and capacity. Generally speaking, it's best to drain your water heater tank at least once a year to remove sediment. However, other factors can change this estimate. If you have hard water, that is, water with heavy mineral content, you should drain your tank more often. Smaller tanks should also be drained more often. While it's possible to drain your tank yourself, you can also call a plumber to come conduct an inspection and perform maintenance. DrainPro Plumbing and Septic are water heater experts local to Western Washington. For more information, visit drainproplumbing.net. Thank you.